Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we are looking at a red ink from Diamine Cult Deep Dark Red. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. This is our comparison panel. Let's see if I can get some light on the subject. This is our comparison panel. Has a little bit of gold sheen, but not too much. Here's our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today. And here is our ink splotch. Nice. And here is our toilet paper chromatography. I see a dark red, and then like a normal red, and then like a pink right on the outside. So this definitely has a lot of red qualities to it. Alright, let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 80 GSM Rhodia dot pad. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM. Uh-oh, I swiped my fat finger. Don't notice. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. Feathered like a chicken. Bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no... tiny bit of ghosting. I am noticing a tiny bit of ghosting. I might still use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. Maybe a tiny bit of ghosting. I would still use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. Minimal ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Oxford College Roll Notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber Notebook paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead Wide World Notebook paper. Feathered like a chicken. Bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. It did look like it tried to feather into the page just a little bit. And it did ghost just a little bit. I would still use the backside of this paper. Last but not least, Unison Composition Book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright, let's do a comparison panel. This is Diamine Deep Dark Red. And I wasn't really sure of which inks to pull for this, so we're going to go over just a couple of them. This is Diamine Robert. See if I have any more dark pinks that would even come close. And Diamine All the Best. Diamine Raspberry Rose. That's all the pinks. Diamine Tam. Little Tam. Diamine Red Robin. Ferris Wheel Press Algonquin Maple. Diatramentus Document Red. Pilot Red. Ackerman, Charlock, and Van Janstein. Monteverde Valentine Red. All of these are really not. Noodler's Rattlers Red. No. Noodler's Black Swan and English Roses. Pure Pens Cutwalder. Colorverse Deep Dark Energy. Colorverse Hubble Zoom. Diamine Oxblood. Monteverde Cherry Danish. Monteverde Passion Burgundy. KWZ Red No. 1. Ferris Wheel Press Royal Rhubarb. Monteverde Blueberry Muffin. Kaveco Ruby Red. Diatramentus Dark Red. KWZ Thief's Red. Robert Astrakiza Rot. Sailor Manyo Umi. Oh. Diamine Raspberry Rose. Oh, I already said these. Okay. Alright, what did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a deep dark red? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So, take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.